Stop wasting time searching Blender menus. Use this shortcut instead. On your keyboard, you can press F3, or if you don't have F3 direct, you can press Fn, then F3, then this search bar will appear. Now, just type any tool you want. No need to memorize any shortcuts. If you type bevel, if you type sphere and click it, if you type UV sphere and click it, there you have it. And if you go to edit mode, just like that, and click Fn, F3, and type anything you want. Maybe you want a cube. You type in here a cube, just like that. You have it, as you can see. If you click Fn, F3, and you type in a monkey, you see there it is. Whatsoever you want, you can just access it very, very quick. As you can see, there is a cylinder. You see, in here, you can type any tool. For example, you can type a bevel. You can see bevel edges, then you can bevel. As you can see, you can type look at. As you can see, there it is. You have it. You click it and the Blender applies it instantly. That's it. This is what people use to speed up their workflow every single day. If this saved you time, follow for more Blender shortcuts.